Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's start balloon coloring activity. Let's start. Celebrate colors. Show off how well you know your colors by coloring the balloon the color listed. Red color. Let's color the balloon in red color. Orange color. Let's color the balloon in orange color. White color. Let's color the balloon in white color. Yellow color. Let's color the balloon in yellow color. Brown color. Let's color the balloon in brown color. Well done kids, you are doing great. Blue color. Let's color the balloon in blue color. Purple color. Let's color the balloon in purple color. Pink color. Let's color the balloon in pink color. Black color. Let's color the balloon in black color. Green color. Let's color the balloon in green color. Well done kids, you are doing great. Please color this balloon your favorite color, aqua color. Let's color the balloon in aqua color. Red balloon. Orange balloon, white balloon, brown balloon, yellow balloon, blue balloon, purple balloon, pink balloon, black balloon, green balloon, aqua balloon. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.